the second time I come to visit RAXDOME, and I was amazed how they have grown in these 2 years. Because first time I saw it and they had another factory, they were like more starting or they were experiencing more, and now they have grown absolutely.
Hi everyone, we are in RAXTENT factory, amazing rooms, 100% recommended. I'm a personal customer from here, beautiful place, RAXTENT factory inside.
I'm feeling very good, using very good quality material, and design is also superb.
I think it's a good solution for glamping, for Russian winter. They build it, have a very good thermal insulate. You can fast build this just in a few days, not need a high quality workers. You can build it by yourself.
Hello, this is Hal with Clear Sky Resorts. I'm here at our Bryce Canyon property, and I'm showing you our new 18-meter glass dome. Ella at RAXTENT has been amazing to work with and has helped us tremendously on building this project. I want to show you our 7-meter dome that RAXTENT manufactured. Ella and her team were amazing to work with, made it very easy. I would highly recommend them. And like I said, Ella and her team have really made it easy on us. I would highly recommend RAXTENT.
Make sure you stay to see why, hit that like and subscribe.